Hello YouTube, heat stroke in animals, first aid. Heat stroke is a serious condition of the body due to a violation of adequate thermoregulation. How to avoid it and what to do. Heat stroke can cause severe consequences for animals, especially those with cardiovascular disease. Heat stroke symptoms: increased body temperature, hyperthermia, increased breathing and heart rate, tachypnea and tachycardia, dyspnea, bright red and dry mucous membranes of the mouth, eyes, tongue, weakness, drowsiness, depression of the central nervous system, inability to stand up, convulsions, seizures, vomiting and diarrhea. If your pet has any of the following symptoms, it needs immediate first aid. Cool the animal yourself by dousing it with cool water and moving it to the shade. Contact your nearest veterinary clinic for qualified assistance. Delay in this case can lead to death. Never leave animals in overheated cars, outdoors in direct sunlight without shelter. Make sure your pet has free access to water. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.